Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm up here in sunshiny New Hampshire. Yeah, I wish, right? So Toro sent us this power shovel for them to test out for them. They had to send it to a guy in a state with a lot of snow. So what better state than New Hampshire? You know, we get a lot of snow up here. We might as well be in the Arctic. It's battery operated. I have a 60-volt battery in it that's available through Toro. What I'll do is in the description of the video, I'll put a link to the battery in it as well as the power shovel. So if you're interested in the product, you can zip right over to Toro's website and check out the power shovel on their website and purchase it from them. But to tell you a little bit about it, it'll clear up to 6 inches of snow. It's capable of clearing up to a 4-car driveway. It has a continuous 45-minute runtime. It has 2 speeds, which are controlled by a switch on the side right here that you can toggle up and down. The handle in the front of it right here, so you can hold it while you're cleaning off your deck, your sidewalk, your stairway, whatever it may be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk it through its paces, and I'm going to clear a few things off and show you how it works. So instead of putting gas in it, all you have to do is put a battery in it. It slides right in, and you'll hear it snap into place. Just shut the cover. It's that easy. So the snow on the deck is pretty light. It just started so not so long ago, so I'm going to clear a couple of paths off the deck. This will throw snow up to 25 feet. Let's put it on the different speed setting. So this is a 12 by 16 deck. I've used this a few times in a few different storms that we've had, and it was way easier than shoveling this deck off. It made snow removal really easy, really fast and simple. The snow that I'm taking care of right now, it's kind of packed down a little bit. The dogs have been running on it, so I couldn't keep them off the deck. So we have 2 golden retrievers, and they love running on the deck. Hey Tucker, your deck is nice and clean. Oh, this is good. You got the Toro power shovel, yeah, huh? Tucker's all happy. He's got a nice cleared off deck, and you don't have snow all over you, right? We're gonna go do the front, okay, Tucker? You happy now? Oh yeah, 2 paws up. Yeah, that's the power shovel, Tucky. The Toro power shovel is excellent to use on walkways. So how many times have you woken up in the morning and it's snowed just a little bit overnight, and it's such a pain to use a shovel to shovel yourself out? Just use the Toro. What I like about this is it's fast, it's easy, and there's no lifting involved. So within a couple of minutes, I cleared out a spot around my car, and I can get to work pretty quickly. Don't forget to check out Toro's site. There's a link in the description of the video. If you click on the link in the description, you'll shoot right over to the product on Toro's site, and go check out the power shovel on their site. They'll have to give you all the specs on it, and they'll tell you a little bit more about it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.